Let the face stay soft and the mind stay soft. You have no place to go and nothing to do, just being here with your baby, and keep it going. Now this time we're going to take it over and bring the elbow to the floor. Stretch, hold. Reach that upper arm high as though you want to paint the sky. Opposite, down. And swing it up. Bring both arms up. Squeeze your heels off the floor. Squeeze your calves and your knees. And let it go. Take your hands behind you. Face your fingers towards your buttocks and stretch, arch high. Press your pubic bone down. Lift your baby up. Stretch your breast, throat, head up. And then roll back down. Bring your chin into your chest. Relax for a moment. Elbows bent. Inhale, come up, stretch. Feet straight up, heels off the floor if you can. And roll back down. Now take your right arm off and really stretch it back. Lean and bring it down. Opposite. Pull up, stretch.